And now we just substitute what we do know. If I look at this y value, so in place of the y, we have a 1. Minus k, we have a 3. We don't have a. Nowhere in here gave us the variable a. So we've got a right here. In place of our x, we're going to use our x value of 0. This is our x, this is our y. Minus our h value is 2, quantity squared. So everything is filled in. All variables are filled in based off of that graph. Our h, our k, our x, and our y. Now we can find a. So we can write it in standard form. So we just do 1 minus 3 is negative 2. 0 minus 2 is negative 2, quantity squared. So we actually have negative 2 equals negative 2 quantity squared is 4a. Undo what's being done to a by dividing both sides by 4. That tells us a would be a negative 1/2. Now we haven't written the answer yet. It says find an equation of the function whose graph is given. So now we want to use the generic, go back up to this equation, but fill it in for the specifics of this parabola. Well, that would just be y minus, we know our k is 3, equals, we now know our a is negative 1/2, and x minus, since it's x minus h, we put our 2 value. We leave the x and the y as x and y because that can help us find every other x, y that's on this parabola. We just for sure knew to use 0 and 1 because it's on the graph. We know that for sure. But now that we have this general equation that represents a graph with a vertex of positive 2, positive 3, and an a value of negative 1/2, we could find any x and y that falls on that parabola.